I'm Amanda and I'm a librarian here at Chalmer Davee Library. And I'm here today to talk about the curriculum materials collection, which is on the second floor of the library. This is where all of our children's books are. Now, most children's fiction has the exact same beginning call number, which can make it a little bit confusing to find. So PZ7 is the number most things start with, but once you know the second part and what that means, it will be a little bit easier to find. So this will be the first letter of the author's last name, and then these numeric numbers here after it are just part of that last name too. So you'll kind of be looking for the author's last name after the PZ7 there. And then since most authors have more than one book, the first two letters of the title will be underneath that author abbreviation, and then sometimes there'll be a year as well. Now, if you can't find what you're looking for or are having a little bit of trouble, please come down to the front desk and we'd be happy to help you.